Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. We are here again with a mind-blowing video for you. As you know that we have made many videos for you regarding money-making techniques and platforms. Today we will tell you about one more platform from which you may earn money easily. We are sure you don't know that you can make money even from Google Maps. Everyone knows that Google Maps are used for navigation and locating any area via the internet. Still, a few people know that it can also be used as a money-making app. If you want to know about this money-making platform, stay with us and watch the video until the end. And if you didn't subscribe to the channel yet, pause the video and go to the subscription button. Subscribe to this fantastic channel and come again so that we can proceed with the video. Nowadays, running a family and earning a livelihood has become a little easier than before. This is because of some opportunities available because of the developing technology in the world. We are all familiar with the term Google Maps, and we know it for what we use it most. So, let's discuss the main point of the video. You can earn money from Google Maps by becoming a local guide. Now we will tell you how to become a local guide and how it will help you to make money from Google Maps. How to become a local guide. You become a local guide when you contribute the content to Google Maps. For this, you have to sign up on the Google for Local Guide. Then you will add content on Google Maps. If your given content gets published, you will earn points for this. You have to collect more and more facts to get more benefits from becoming a local guide. Now you will want to know what kind of content you can contribute on Google Maps. Don't worry, guys. We know how we have to properly guide you through every aspect so that you don't have any questions left at the end of the video. So, here are some options for the content you can contribute on Google Maps. Answer the questions about a place on Maps. Add photos regarding sites. You will get 5 points for this. Review and rate a location. It will make you earn 10 points. If you write a review of more than 200 characters, you will get 10 more bonus points. Respond to the Q&As. Edit roads on the map. Check facts about the places you know very well. Add more facts about nearby placed. Add missing locations in Google Maps. Edit information about the sites you have max knowledge of. It will make you earn 5 points. Add updated information regarding any site. You can earn badges by doing any of the above things in tasks. And when you earn more points, your level will also increase as a local guide. How to check your points on Google Maps. If you have contributed content on Google Maps and want to check your total points, you can follow these steps one by one. Go on Google Maps on your mobile phone. Click on the menu. Tap on the contribution. Click on your name. Now you can see your contribution points in your profile. Remember that your contribution points are updated within 24 hours on Google Maps. Besides this, you can also become a map analyst. The job of the map analyst is to analyze the given information on Google Maps and to check the accuracy of that information by searching about the places on Google. There is a company named Lionbridge. This company works with Google to ensure that maps are showing accurate search results or not. They also keep in touch with the activity of Google to check whether all the searching activity on the internet is going smoothly or not. This job is easy to do, and you can earn up to $10 to $16 per hour. So this was a brief guideline on how you can earn by Google Maps. Hope you guys liked the video. We are doing our best to convey the best knowledge to all of you. If you have any queries regarding any point, then you may ask in the comment section. Hit the like button and press the bell icon so that you will get all of our videos in time. Don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family. We will catch you guys in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.